Hello everyone, myself Sakshi and I am working as an assistant professor in Babu Banasidas University, Lucknow. Today I am here to give an introduction on the topic OSI model. The OSI model is one of the important topic in the whole computer network. OSI stands for Open Systems Interconnection that deals with open systems. OSI is a reference model and was developed by International Organization for Standardization in 1984. It has 7 layers, each of which defines a part of the process of moving information across a network. It also describes how information from a software application in one computer moves through a physical medium to the software application in another computer. It has 7 layers, namely application layer, presentation layer, session layer, transport layer, network layer, data link layer, and physical layer, in which application layer, presentation layer, and session layer are known as software layers, and the network layer, data link layer, and physical layers are referred to as hardware layer. And the transport layer is known as the heart of OSI model because it establishes a connection between software and hardware layers. This figure explains the working of OSI model in which the sending of data is done from top to bottom and the receiving is done from bottom to top. In this, each layer uses the services of layer just below it and provides the services to the layer just above it. Each layer attaches the header which contains the information about that layer, but no layer are allowed to open the headers of the other layer. Also, there is a transmission channel through which the data is transferred. First layer is application layer. Application layer represents the services that directly supports software application for file transfer, database access, and electronic mail. It also authenticates the sender or receiver's message. Also, it provides email forwarding and storing. Next is presentation layer. Presentation layer translates different data representations from the application layer into the standard format. Also, it provides services for secure, efficient data transmission. For example, data encryption and data compression. Next is session layer. Session layer allows two applications on different computers to establish, use, and end the session. It also establishes dialog control. Also, it performs token management and synchronization. Next is transport layer. Transport layer repackages long message when necessary into small packets for transmission. Also, it reassembles packet in the correct order to get the original message. Also, it handles error correction and recovery. Next is network layer. Network layer manages addressing, routing of data within the subnets. Also, it is responsible for source to destination delivery of the packet. Finally, it tackles the issues like transmission delays. Next is data link layer. Data link layer packages raw bits from physical layer into the frames. Also, it provides reliable transmission of frames. Last is physical layer. Physical layer transmits bits from one computer to another. Also, it regulates the transmission of the stream of bits over a physical medium. Also, it defines how the cable is attached to the network adapter and what transmission technique is used to send the data over the cable. Thank you.